The Chinese company Xiaomi has long held the undisputed top spot in the market for sports bracelets, which it has since transformed into something akin to an accessible and reasonably priced smartwatch for everyone. And now that 2023 is here, another brand new smart tracker will soon be available for purchase. Moreover, customers will typically have a choice between two models, the Mi Band 8 and Mi Band 8 Pro. New products will vary from one another in price, style, and technological specs. Customers will have a difficult time choosing because traditionally, the more expensive Pro model will provide a more appealing aesthetic and of course more sophisticated hardware. Samrampal Singh, a Twitter user, discovered the Xiaomi Band 8 on the NRRA certification page in South Korea. Together with the pictures that disclose its appearance, the listing provides some crucial features. The Xiaomi Band 8's entire appearance is on display in the live pictures. The Xiaomi Band 8 will resemble a capsule much like its predecessor. The strap appearance is noticeably different. Similar to the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro, the upcoming Xiaomi Band 8 will include a two-piece detachable strap. The gadget's model number is M2239B1. It has been made known that the Xiaomi Band 8 will support Bluetooth 5.1. The same wearable had already been discovered in the TRDA database. The Xiaomi Band 8's finer points are still a mystery at this time. The Mi Band 8 and Mi Band 8 Pro sports wristbands have already been issued by Xiaomi, as they typically do in the second half of February, even if it is unknown what features they will have. Employees of the brand will test these gadgets up until the end of March to find any flaws or problems that may surface. The fitness tracker will then be tested for another 2 weeks before the company releases a limited edition manufacturing version. Following that, mass production will begin, allowing the Chinese company to stockpile several examples of the wrist device in warehouses before the commencement of sales. The sports bracelets Mi Band 8 and Mi Band 8 Pro are anticipated to come equipped with an NFC module for using the exclusive payment system Mi Pay to make purchases. They should also come equipped with a contemporary AMOLED screen with always-on display functionality, which enables you to keep a picture on the screen at all times. Such a change will now use a lot less energy than it did in the past, due to the employment of more contemporary engineering technical solutions and upgraded software. The new band will be able to count steps, calculate calories burned, assess sleep quality, function as a smart alarm clock, vibrate for incoming calls, show alerts from the phone, and other features that are typical for all Xiaomi fitness trackers. It will be available in 2 versions. In fact, with a few minor adjustments and a few extremely advanced capabilities, Xiaomi's Mi Band 8 and Mi Band 8 Pro can actually take the place of the majority of people's Apple Watch Series 8 smartwatches. A body temperature sensor included into fitness trackers in 2023 might be one of their standout features. As a result, devices will be able to continuously measure body temperature. With the help of this tool, you can recognize a variety of health issues, including a disease. As a result, the owner of the bracelet will be able to promptly take actions aimed at contacting a doctor or taking medication by recognizing a raised temperature in its early stages. What do you think about the new generation of the bracelet from Xiaomi? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck on your side.